Okay, you're going to take this form. I'm going to show you a card, and on the block you're going to put odd or even right here. So as I show you the card, write odd or even. Number 1, 1,831. Remember, we look at the 1 spot to decide if it's odd or even. So the number 1, is that odd or even? Put that right here, odd or even. Number 2, read the word. It says 11. Think about the number. A 1 is 11. So there's a 1 in the ones place. Is 1 odd or even? 3 plus 3 equals 6. So think about the answer 6. Is it odd or even? Look at the 10 frame and see what number it makes. This one makes 6. So in number 4, tell me if 6 is odd or even. Number 5, 42,391. Look at the 1 spot. Is that odd or even? Read the word. Think of the number. If you have to write the number in the box, do that to help you. What number is in the 1 spot, and is that odd or even? Add it together and think about the answer. Is the answer odd or even? Look at the 10 frame. Is the number odd or even? Put it in number 8. Number 9, 1,902. Look at the 1 spot. Is that an odd or even number? Put it in number 9. Number 10, read the word. Think of the number. Is that number odd or even? Put it in number 10. 11, 20, take away 5. Think of what that answer is. Think of the 1 spot in that answer. If you need to write the answer in here to look at it, that's fine. Tell me if that answer is odd or even. Number 12, look at the 10 frame. What is the number? Is that odd or even? 13, 118. Look at the 1 spot. Is that odd or even? Number 14, look at the word. Think of the number. If you need to write the number in there, write it. Look at the 1 spot. Is it odd or even? 15, think of the answer for 7 plus 6. Is that number odd or even? Number 16. Look at the 10 frame. Is that odd or even number? Number 17. 705. Look at the 1 spot. Is that odd or even? Number 18. Read the number. If you need to write the number in the 18th block, do that so you can see what's in the 1's place and tell me if that's odd or even. $19, 10, take away 3. What is the answer? Is the answer odd or even? And number 20. Look at the 10 frame and tell me if that number is odd or even. Okay, get a pencil or a crayon to check, or a red pen. Let's see what the answers are. Number 1, 1,831. There's a 1 in the 1 spot, so number 1 is odd. Number 2 is 11. It's a 1 and a 1. There's a 1 in the 1 spot, so that number is odd. 11 is odd, number 2. Number 6, 3 plus 3 is 6, and 6 is an even number. Number 3 is even. Number 4, 6 again, so 6 is even. Number 4 is even. 5, 42,391. 1 is in the 1 spot, so it's odd. 5 is odd. Number 6, 22, 2, 2. 2 in the 1 spot. So that means the answer to number 6 is even. 7. 10 plus 7 is 17, which is a 7 in the 1 spot. So number 7 is odd. 8. There is 5 shown here. 5 is an odd number, so the answer to number 8 is odd. 1,902. 2 is in the 1 spot, and 2 is even. So the answer to number 9 is even. Number 10, the word says 8. 8 is an even number, so number 10 is even. 20 take away 5 is 15. 15 has a 5 in the 1 spot. The number 5 is odd, so number 11 is odd. 12, do we see 3 here? So 3 is an odd number, so number 12 is odd. 13, 118, there's an 8 in the 1 spot. So number 13 is even. 8 is an even number. 14, the word says 14. 14 has a 4 in the 1 spot. So number 14 is even. The number 4 is an even number. 15, 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 is an odd number because it has a 3 in the 1's place. So 15 is odd. 16, number 9. 9 is an odd number, so 16 should be odd. 705. 5 is an odd number, and it's in the 1's place, so number 17 is odd. 18, 100. That's 1, 0, 0. Zero's in the 1 spot. A 0, remember, is an even number because it's a multiple of 10, and 10 is even. So 18 is even. If it ends in 0, it's even. 10 take away 3 is 7. 7 is an odd number, so 19 is odd. And last one, 24. 4 is an even number. We can make pairs, so 20 is even.